Hello. We continue with question 16 of HSC Mathematics Extension 2, Part A33. Um, in this part, they are asking us to solve that equation. What we know from the previous parts is if we have a cubic equation like this, then it's going to have solutions in the form of r cos theta, where r is equal to square root of 4p on 3, which minus p is the coefficient of x, and cos free theta is equal to minus 4q over r cube, where q is the constant in this equation. As we can see in this cubic equation, the term with x squared is missing. That was part I, which we already done. Part II, which also we already covered. In that part, we showed that if this equation, which has all the terms present, including x squared, has roots alpha, beta, and gamma, then this equation will have roots alpha plus 3, beta plus 3, and gamma plus 3. In other words, the roots of this equation will be 3 more than the roots of this equation. Now we want to solve this equation. So apparently we need to solve first this equation and then add 3 to the roots of that to get to the subtract 3 from the roots of that to get to the roots of this. All right, comparing this equation with this equation, we can see that p is equal to 12. So p is equal to 12. And q is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. Then r will be equal to square root of 4 times p, which is 12, over 3. That will give us a square root of 16, which is 4. So we find r. Then cos 3 theta will be equal to minus 4 and q, which is minus 8, divided by r cubed, and r is 4, so 4 cubed. That becomes 64, that becomes 32, so we end up with half. So cos 3 theta is equal to half, which is equal to cos of pi on 3. So this suggests that 3 theta could be pi on 3, or 2 pi minus pi on 3, or pi on 3 plus 2 pi. Simplifying that will give us 3 theta is equal to, I'm dividing, I just simplify at this stage, pi on 3. 2 pi minus pi on 3, that's 6 pi on 3 minus pi on 3 gives me 5 pi on 3. And pi on 3 plus 2 pi will give me, that becomes 6 pi on 3 plus 1 pi on 3 gives me 7 pi on 3. And from here, dividing all by 3, I get theta, which is pi on 9, 5 pi on 9, and 7 pi on 9. So the solution for this equation is going to be r cos theta, and r is 4, so it's going to be 4 cos pi on 9, or 4 times cos 5 pi on 9, 5 pi on 9, or 4 times cos 7 pi on 9. These are the roots of the equation with missing x squared, so which is that. And now to get to the roots of that, all we need to do is take away 3 from the roots. So 4 cos pi on 9 minus 3, 4 cos 5 pi on 9 minus 3, and 4 cos 7 pi on 9 minus 3 will be the roots of the original equation. So are the roots of x cubed plus 9x squared plus 15x minus 17 equal to 0. Thank you for your attention.